What's up, kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen. Get ready with me, Napchat on deck. Want to show you an easy ball cap method, a nice red lip, and get some chit chat in. Y'all ready? NappyFu checking in. Lego. Welcome back, kinks, so let's get right into it. I want to show you this knee-high wig cap method I came across, and I think it's like, you know, a lifesaver for those who don't want to do the bald head cap method, because I really don't do the bald head cap method. I feel like it's just too much work. I know I'm a simple chick, but what I've learned is if I take my knee high and I cut off that part that goes around the knee, and then the part that's remaining, because that part that goes around the knee, you see all the little whites, especially if you get the cheap ones like I did, all that little white gooky stuff, you don't want that on your hair. So just cut that off and then use the remaining part. When you put it onto your head, I promise, like, to me, I could be tripping, but it looks like the bald head cap method to me without me having to like tack it down. You know, the edges do roll up a little bit, like I'm gonna show you right now. It rolls up just a little bit, but if you just simply gel that part down or got to be spray it down, you have the bald cap method without all the fuss that people tend to go. I mean, I don't know if y'all watch these bald head method videos, but I watch them and I'm like, yo, that's a lot of fuss there. You got to spray a layer, another layer to make sure it's really tacked down. Dry it down. Spray one more layer to make sure it's really down. And then you want to apply your wig. You might spray another layer to now tack the wig down. I'm like, yo, let me get this all in one go, okay? So I feel like I have that with this kneecap method. I don't know. Something else I noticed that this kneecap really matches my scalp color perfectly. And I usually don't get this color with any of the regular wig caps you would get from the store. So I really do like this method. Now, even though the edges do kind of roll up, I'm not really that bothered by it because my wig alone is going to flatten that out. So I still apply my Got2b glue spray. I roll, you know, the part that's rolling up, I roll it flat. I do the whole cool air dry thingy, make sure it's tacky, and then throw my wig on top of that. So it's no longer rolling up, and I have my wig on top of it. 2 birds, 1 stone. I'm good. 1 stone. I'm good to go. Yeah, I know your girl is very, I'm not gonna say I'm lazy, but I like to multitask. Okay, if I can knock out several things in one go, you best believe I will. I'm that type of person who will not make several trips to carry the groceries. Can I get it in one go? I got 2 hands, 2 arms. I will make it work. In one trip. Yes, now, why should I make multiple trips for groceries? I beg, 1 trip, I'm done. My mom would call that lazy. But anyway, yeah, so y'all, if you're having any trouble trying to find the perfect wig cap color, look into knee highs. Like, knee highs also have shades. And if my big head can get into this knee high, please trust and believe you will find one your head can get into. I beg, don't say your head too big. Girl, do you not see this dome? This blessed dome on top of my shoulders? And I made it work. Thank you. Good. So yeah, this is a good option. Knee cap comes pretty close to my scalp color. And for those who like the bald head method, this might be a really quick option for you as opposed to, you know, the standard way. So hope it helps. So red lip and other ish. Here we go. I'm going to show y'all my favorite red lip. Yep, look how popping that red is. I am a fanatic for lip stain. And my favorite is the one by Maybelline. The shade I'm wearing right now is called Voyager. This is my favorite brand for lip stains. This lip stain does not fail me at all. At all. I can apply it at 5 a.m. in the morning and it will still be there 12 o'clock at night or 11 o'clock at night. Without any smearing, without any cracking, without any crusting. I've used MAC before and MAC starts to crust up on me, on my lips. You know, and I hate the fact that it does that because MAC is not cheap, okay? But it doesn't do the job for me the way Maybelline does, the way this drugstore makeup does, the way this cheaper one does. It's like $10. And yes, I do have several of the colors because it was on sale, okay? I love a simple look, but a bold lip. And that's what I kind of go for.
I don't love just anyone. I am not just anyone.
As I finish up, Team Kinks, I want to know from y'all, because you know, everything I do on my channel, I do it for the kinks. And I want to definitely give y'all content that you will appreciate and you will like, you know, at least majority of y'all, okay? So I wanted to ask y'all, remember a while ago I started the NappyFoolery series where I do things that I'm not good at, but I want to get better. I've kind of digressed on that a little bit. I know, my bad, y'all. It just kind of happened, honestly. But I want to bring it back. And I want to know from y'all in the comment box below, what are some things you would like to see me try? Of course, be reasonable. Don't be like, I want to see you skydive. You know that will never happen. Which one? Me that does not like the heights. Hey, you want me to skydive? I will not skydive to the floor. Bam, like. But I'll be willing to do things that's, you know, a bit safer. But yes, overall, let me know what are some natural hair related or even makeup related, beauty related things you would love to see me try on this channel for your viewing pleasure. One thing I didn't do enough last year is ask y'all for the topics, like what YouTube things you want to see me do. So I want to be a bit more engaging with y'all and definitely inquire from you. What are some things you want to see on this channel? What are some natural hair things you want me to address? Some beauty things, or even some life things you want me to address? Let me know in the comment box below. You know what's funny? All these silly faces that I'm making, this is how some YouTubers get their still image for their thumbnail. Just kind of record yourself doing different faces and make that a still image. I don't know if you knew that, but if you didn't know, now you know.
Dark skin girls, they always saying that you're pretty for a dark skin. Yeah, you're pretty for a dark skin.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. I will catch y'all on the next one. I know today's video was kind of quick, but I hope it still made a lasting impact on you. Until next time, remember y'all to have healthy mind, spirit, body, soul, everything. Do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful.